Oh boy, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We have a brand new update for you. PDF.ai has got a brand new bag. And by bag, I mean option to do things. And by option to do things, I mean a very important update that I hope you guys are going to take advantage of. So previously, the model that was being used to ask any questions of your PDF prior, like give me a summary of this document, was made using ChatGPT 3.5. As you can see, this is a model that is faster and great for most chats. However, there is a more capable model, a more premium model, a better model, dare I say, called GPT-4, which now you have the ability to access with PDF.ai. So in order to access it, you're going to need to buy credits. So for example, you can buy 100 GPT-4 credits right here for 20 bucks. And then there's like higher tiers of this, right? So these are all just one-time purchases. Do not worry about it being something that is recurring, but essentially you pay for this and then you get access to GPT-4 tokens. So I just want to talk about some of the key things that make GPT 3.5 better. So first of all, for those of you that don't know, you can actually get GPT-4 if you have the premium version. I have been using the premium version for a while. ChatGPT Plus is what the basis of this GPT-4 model is with PDF.ai. And first of all, with GPT-4, you get a higher number of parameters. The input amount that we have through the API connection is generally speaking very much overkill. However, the main value prop here is that you're going to be able to direct it with better answers to questions. When you ask a question with 3.5, it gives you a more basic answer and less complex, well thought out responses in 3.5. It's not necessarily bad. It's just when GPT 3.5 was trained, it wasn't trained on as nearly as large of a data set. So GPT-4 picks up on very specific requests and contexts a lot better than GPT 3.5. It also has multilingual capabilities, so that means it can now work with up to 25 languages other than English, and these include different languages like French, German, Spanish, and others. A word that I would kind of describe what the more specific use cases are when using GPT-4 is that it has more steerability. That would mean that it provides more control over its responses. You can give it a personality. You can instruct it to give you answers pretending if it was a certain character or for a certain person like a knight or somebody like that. It definitely has more steerability and listens to you more when you ask it to do things, even from like a pretend point of view. And also this is a very small thing, but previously early on in OpenAI, before they got rid of some of the bugs in 3.5 and definitely more so in GPT-4, it doesn't have nearly as many like phantom outputs where it'll say stuff that is necessarily made up. Now, it doesn't really do that because it's just picking up the context of your PDF, but it does extrapolate in a way that's more accurate rather than it just like phantomly trying to extrapolate the information, which is a definite benefit when we're looking at stuff like this. For example, if I ask for it to write me a summary from the perspective of a knight of the round table in 3.5, it's just gonna give me a basic response. Now this is just kind of me being goofy. So as you can see, after I buy credits, it showcases how many credits are available. And then I could once again ask that question. That's funny, it actually picked up the context and was like, yeah, Knights of the Round Table wouldn't get it, so it's a little bit smarter. I can just instead ask, please tell me 10 insights from this document and speak in the tone of a medieval Knight of the Round Table. It's funny. Yeah, see, here we go. Now it actually gets it and is giving it in better context. It listens to instructions a lot better, and this is just a funny way of saying it. The noble quest. That's all you needed to see on this. It's pretty funny how it allows you to, while not at the same speed of 3.5, at a better quality than 3.5, just spit out amazing responses. The author doth advise thee to progress at thine own pace. It's not a race, but a journey to be savored. Yeah, that was amazing. I'm enjoying my time with this. I'm very much excited to see what everyone's going to be able to do with the update as we move forward and as GPT-4 continues to upgrade as well. That's another big benefit. Since it is the newest model, it does continue to update as well. If you like this video and want to see more videos on how PDF.ai has improved and what you can do to improve your skills using it, please make sure to check out videos like this one right here.